Objective of this video is to understand what is template string. Now, in traditional JavaScript, anything that is enclosed within single quote or double quote is considered as a string. For example, I have declared a variable using let, variable name as message, and it has assigned a value in single quotes. This is a sample message. So this particular entire part of the code is considered as a string. And this particular string is always on a single line. So if I save this, you'll see this is sample message is printed here. But if I want to get it on multiple lines, it won't be possible because it is understood that whatever enclosed in the single code has to be on a one single line. So I have to put it like this. If I want it on multiple lines, I'll have to add a concatenation operator, that is the plus operator, and then put the string. And still all the line that is actually printed here is not on a new line. When it is printed on the console, it is on the same line. Then if I want to add some text or concatenate some additional values into a string, then it is even more difficult. Now let's take an example here. So I had pre-written certain code. I had created two variables, India score, Australia score, and I have tried to add it into a string. Now if you see India score, then I have added the plus operator to concatenate the variable's value with the string. Same way, then again I concatenated additional string and another concatenation operation for adding the Australia score. Now if you look at this, it looks like a jigsaw puzzle that I have put together, and still it is on a single line. If I want this particular code on the second line, then I have to put it like this. So now not only this particular string looks like a jigsaw puzzle with the concatenation operation, it also has special characters. Now, in order to resolve this issue, in the ES6 version of JavaScript, a special type of string that was introduced, that is template string. And in order to create a template string, we just have to create it using a backtick that is above the tab button on your keyboard. Now, if I want to print this value on multiple lines using the template string, I'll simply write it like let. Now I'll use the backtick and now here if I want to add any variable's value within that particular string, I don't have to use the concatenation operator. I can directly use string interpolation syntax using dollar and opening closing curly braces, and then I can put the score value here and it will print whatever the value that we want to print. Then if I want to put something on the next line or a new line, then I can just simply add enter and put it like this. Now notice that I have enclosed the entire string in opening and closing tick buttons, but there is no concatenation added here, and whatever the value of the variable is to be added, I have added directly using the concatenation string interpolation syntax. So this simplifies the string that I have added in the code. And let's print this on the browser. So I'm going to comment this part out, and so here you can see this particular value is added and printed on different line. So this is a simple use of template string We'll be seeing more use of the template string in the future videos with Angular components more specifically. I hope you have understood the video. Do subscribe and thank you.